Hi guys, so my name's Matt and welcome to your boy Matt's YouTube animations. Okay, that's a pretty weird intro. So what I pretty much do is do animations, as you can see from the drawing, but it's currently not that great considering I don't really have the tools to do the animations. I don't know, maybe I'm just bad at drawing. You know, it's weird how people can actually draw right on the spot without learning anything. But enough about me. So welcome to my YouTube channel. So I'm pretty much new here and I'm trying my best to entertain you guys. So I'm using a mouse and earphone speakers to record, which is sad. But anyway, I'm mostly going to tell you guys funny stories, specifically about Australia. In case you're wondering, I'm actually here. But I'm still in college too, so videos might not be coming as much as possible, but I'll try my best to upload as much as I can. So I guess thanks for watching. Hope you guys watch my videos in the near future, and peace out.